I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. This is the March 13th, 2021 watch list. Here's what I'm watching. A bunch of leftover from yesterday for continuation. ANCN. ATXI from yesterday. Continuation into the 7.2 range. BFRA. We're going to see if we can get up to the 663 range. CTIB. Let's see what she'll do. DARE, D-A-R-E. Let's see if we get the trend in reverse. MFGP, continuing from yesterday. Let's see when we get to the 735. MITT. This is starting to shape up again, so we'll see. NACD. I think this might be NACD's final point where it reverses. And in VC. This one's been on the list. We shall see. PBLA. Looking for continuation up through, looking to get to the 5.5 range, and XTNT is still there. We start to get through here. It's going to be tough. It's going to take a lot to get through here, but we'll see what she can do. That's it.